Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to Dr. Nur Shafrina. We are from class Excel, section 13, group Excel Slate. Today we are going to present our proposed program, which is the volunteering program at Old Folks Home, Rumah Mutiara Hati. These are the members of group Excel Slate: Azlina, Afaf, Amira, Fatiha, and Mukrisha. These are the contents that will be presented in the next slides. We have introduction, objectives, Google Form result, scheduled activities, financial statement, rubrics, and conclusion. So basically, our program is to assist the elderly who are in their 70s, 80s, and 90s who requires different types of assistance. And we want to implement the adaptability and communication skills throughout this program. For adaptability, students will try to move out of their comfort zone and explore new possibilities. And for communication skills, students need to interact with the elderly by sharing stories, learn their wisdoms, and create strong bonds that can last a lifetime.
So for the objectives are, we want this program to improve the success graduate attributes, which we will be focused on adaptability and communication skills. We are going to recruit 30 undergraduate UTM students to become the volunteers. We want this program to connect the participants to the society. We want them to be empathetic towards the others. And we want this program to train the participants to be professional and responsible with their task handling. As for the graduate attribute survey result, we found that scholarship and enterprising skills are the least implemented among students in UTM that has been chosen by the respondents of the survey. But we did not take enterprising skills and scholarship skills because we believe that these two skills already implemented. First, the enterprising skill we already implemented when we take entrepreneurship subject throughout our semester. And not only that, for the scholarship skills, we actually already implement the scholarship skill when we are doing the assignments and our final project. So our group chose communication and adaptability skills because we believe that these two skills are the most crucial skills that should be implemented among UTM students.
Next is schedule activities. The estimate time for the program to start around 7:30 a.m. and end around 5:30 p.m. For the activity divide task by group, there are two graduate attributes that have implemented inside there. First is adaptability and next is communications. For both graduate attributes have shown through the various activity that we have set inside the task such as gotoroyo, help the staff about old folks and so much more. Uh, Participants need communicate each other and adapt it very well and make sure the task will run smoothly. And for the activity play traditional games, we also implement communication credit attributes. And for activity volunteers sports performance, we implemented both graduate attributes adaptability and communications since each of the member need to communicate and adapt each other work styles to perform a small performance towards the old folks. Next is a financial statement, income and expenses. These are the budget that we are calculated and estimate that we need for our program. For the expenses, we calculate the food and drinks, 20 ringgit per day and times with 30 people. 600, and here are the transportation, souvenir, donations, decorations, and all the expenses. Total of the expenses is 3,400. So for the income, for the source of money, we claim the money from HEP around 1,400, and the sponsorships we targeted around 2,000, and the totals are 3,400 ringgit Malaysia.
Next, onto the rubrics part. So this is the adaptability rubric, where we evaluate the participants while they are doing the activities during the program using this rubric. So there are 4 different levels, level 1 to 4, and the components are ability to apply prior knowledge, skills, and or behaviors to new situations, ability to work effectively under pressure, ability to adapt to the culture of new communities and work environment, and lastly, ability to initiate and implement changes.
This is the rubric for graduate success attribute for communication skill. We will use this rubric to evaluate the performance of participants when they are doing the activity in the tentative. There are 4 components. Firstly, the ability to convey idea clearly, effectively, and comprehensibly. Secondly, the ability to give clear direction or instruction, convey the sequence of steps, and use clear example and reference. Thirdly is the ability to pay attention to the speaker and summarize the key ideas. And the last component is the ability to communicate with people from different culture. We will use 4 levels to evaluate the participant, which are level 1, level 2, level 3, and also level 4. When the participant get the highest level, that means the participant are good in communication skill.
As a conclusion, we hope that we can achieve the objectives of this program. Participants could give all their full commitment and get the highest rubric and improve their adaptability and communication skills. Next, we really hope that our proposal will be approved, and if it is, the program will be running smoothly according to the tentative that has been planned. And lastly, we hope that our program can give benefits to the people that have involved in this program, especially to the participants. And that brings us to the end. I would like to thank Doctor for your time and attention today. Access Late, over and out.